So for those of you that are observant, you'll notice we are back in my house and I've got what needs to be finished behind me. Before we get into it, I have a surprise for you guys. You're gonna love this. So you may remember this room. Sam and I remodeled about almost 2 years ago.
It looks like a fireplace.
Is it a fireplace?
I think so. Come on, fireplace. Okay, now come all the way up here.
And since then, it's been our master bedroom, a guest bedroom, a workout room, and now a nursery. Because we're having a baby. Ah! So this is my wife, Sarah, and during the pandemic, we were fortunate to get pregnant. That's what makes babies. So we're converting this room into a nursery, but we've only got like 10 weeks until the baby gets here, and I gotta get this.
No, we've got eight weeks.
8 weeks, and the baby's gonna be here, and we've gotta finish the first floor because we don't wanna be remodeling during newborn phase. So this is the staircase Jens might remember from when we remodeled the first floor.
I don't think I got through this side. I hate it, but I don't hate it.
So first things first, we're gonna have to change this. These old posts are pretty beat up and they need fixed. Because of their age and what they're made of, we're just gonna get rid of them. Now I know a bunch of you are gonna tell me, John, why don't you just keep them and paint them? They have so much character, blah, blah, blah. We're gonna go modern. I think in black metal, something in that realm, maybe a wooden handrail, we don't know. We've also got to deal with the issue of some of the worst carpet I think I've ever seen. So the carpet's in a high traffic area. What we're thinking is I'm gonna tear it all out. We have fir treads, Douglas fir treads, maybe dark stain or paint them black, and then we're definitely gonna do a runner because we're gonna have a little kid and we wanna have some traction on the stairs. So that should be cool. Sam and myself have never done railings or runners, so it's gonna get squirrely. We're also gonna change out the light fixture and then tear out this closet. This thing is absolutely terrible. We're gonna get rid of it for the most part and then build something else that kind of flows the same. We still need somewhere to put our coats and our shoes, but open up the space a little bit, tie it in back there to the bookshelves that we built custom a couple years ago and the tripod that the camera's typically on. And the last part of the equation for this section is gonna be this terrible, terrible door. This is just a slab, and like, once again, Sam and I blasted it white. It's red on the other side, it's garbage. We wanna do something that matches the back doors we installed this summer. So we're thinking alder, and if we can find one that's at a good price, I might just order it, or we'll get squirrely and build one. But exterior doors are really finicky, so I don't really know if I'm quite ready to build one yet. And then lastly, I haven't told Sarah, well, I kind of told her, but I want to do a rocking chair for the baby's room. You know, a lot of people do cribs, they do changing tables, dressers. I feel like none of those things really stay with the family over the course of time, so I want to do some sort of rocking chair, so that could be a cool surprise for her. And then if we have time, we maybe go to Bed Bath & Beyond, hit the Home Depot. I don't know.
We're gonna go to Home Depot. Yeah, buy some wallpaper, maybe get some flooring.
No, we're gonna try to get to the kitchen. The kitchen, it feels like I'm still in college with how we have things in here. Replace, add cabinetry, all the good stuff there, can lights, whatever we can kind of muster up. But that is, you know, that would maximize every second of time that we could potentially have. Because we don't know, the kid could show up in 3 weeks, she could be here in 10, but 8 weeks isn't a lot of time. What'd you say, Sam, 1,023 hours?
1,300.
1,300 some hours, so we're up against it. Now we gotta get to work, actually. So the first thing we're gonna get into is going to be the closet. Now, because I am such a generous, nice guy, I'm going to include Sarah on the design. So, needs. I was thinking it's a little more open.
Okay.
What did you want?
Open in what way?
Like,
what do you mean?
I'm kind of thinking like something that has, you know, the bottom here is maybe like a trunk or a pull-out drawer with a bench top on it, a back wall with some hangers. Hooks.
It'd be really nice if we had some sort of storage up above.
We can do storage up above. Did you want that to be like for baskets or doors?
It'd be nice to have both open and closed storage. So something that would be open maybe above the hooks for dog bags and stuff like that. And then...
Dog bags.
Well, it's nice to have it be convenient when you have to take the dogs out.
True.
Since you'll be doing more of that.
Since I will be doing more of that. I really like some of those
options that people have now that are like open here?
I think open is probably going to be our only option if we wanted to use it for shoe storage because your shoes are really big. So if we closed it in, I don't think we would be able to fit as many.
Okay, so then this will be open to the floor with a box sitting on top of it, a bench, and some coat hangers.
Yeah, either that or we close it in and use this as like a trunk style storage, and you can put your shoes inside.
What I'll do is we've got trunk style and then open style. I will give this to Jordan and then see what he can come up with so he can cut this thing out of the CNC, and Sam and I can get to work.
Okay.
Tearing out the staircase.
Sounds great.
Teamwork.
Yay.
And that's gonna be it for this one. We're super excited to be moving into this series, super excited to become a new dad, super excited to have my wife a little more involved in this project. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of it, and that first video will be right here the minute it's ready. Click on it.